Okay, actual component dimensions here. These are actual component dimensions. I had to, the box that I started with, it had wall mounting holes in the front, so I couldn't use it. I found this one, and it worked out pretty good, and you'll see more why later, but actual component dimensions. The name of the wet send box has been changed. It is now the EPS CHFX loop. Okay, channel effects loop. So this is the EPS CHFX loop, or channel effects loop box. Yeah, these are new tricks. I at the moment, I'm gonna go high quality components. I'm gonna try to do the best job I can to really make this into a high quality, decent product here. Anyways, I go over that in the other video, and I really think this is the more unique box. But I developed another box on the same layout, same die-cast aluminum enclosure, same logo position. Ready? Okay, here's the EPS Darlington driver X5. Basically, the signal will come in to a discrete germanium Darlington pair driver and unity gain, and that'll drive up to 5 different amps. Now you can mix and match whatever amplifiers with this, and but if it did drive 5 EPS tube stacks, that would be about like 200 watt amps driving 4 ceramic loaded, less sensitive ceramic loaded 4x12s. So 200 watt amps and 4x12s. Basically kind of the same thing, and the reason why is because the EPS amps are using Alnicos, and they would be lower to the stage, and they would couple with the stage better. So it's a sensitivity there. Even though it would only be 125 watts instead of 200 watts, it's still, it's gonna couple better with the stage, and it'll act like a horn kind of, and it would be about that much acoustic power, pretty close to it. But somebody could get this if they wanted to even drive 2 amps or 5 little practice amps of whatever make or model, and you put 5 little practice amps on this thing, it'll freaking boot. But the thing is that I think this is going to be my main seller, and I'm going to start with the channel effects loop, because this will be easier for me to get off the ground with, and then after I get going okay with these and I'm kind of on my feet, I think then I would try doing the amplifier, the tube stack, the EPS tube stack. And then after the EPS tube stack started, after I got that settled in, then I would go to the Darlington driver X5, and I would add this to the lineup third. Okay, so this would be the last thing I would make. I don't know how this is going to go. I don't have the floor space right now. I don't have the money, but this is where I'm starting, is with the channel effects loop, the EPS CHFX loop box. And I think this is I got, this is copyrighted. All this is copyrighted EPS, but I'm pretty sure I haven't seen anything like this. I think this is unique, and I think I'm going to be able to get off the ground with this box. So that's what I'm going to try to start up with right there. And like I said, I'm going to try to do a really good job, quality components, and get a good finish on it. I got some ideas. I kind of want to go with like a 1940s powder coat, how in the 40s, like typewriters and electronic gear. It was all gray wrinkle powder coat. But I don't know how that's going to work out with the logo and the screen printing. But I'm going to try to do that gray wrinkle powder coat and good quality components and good quality box and seals and a nice looking logo and all that stuff, and see if I can get that the tooling set up in a way where it doesn't cost too much, and that I can get it into some floor space. I gotta finish my shop. That's the thing. I don't have the floor space, but I'm gonna try to get this out as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.